Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create a pin on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So here I just going to show how to create a pin to a Pinterest account on your mobile phone. Just going to show in this video. For that, click on the first click on the plus symbol on top. So here you have the start creating now a pin or collage or board. I'm just going to start photo or video, which media you just needed. Then click and just type the title. So here my YouTube channel or channel tech related channel. So I'm just going to add a tech. It's a title, and this just add a description about this channel. What are the things actually you describe about the photo or video you just placed on the here. So this is a tech tutorial channel, right? So just going to type. So you can just add a brief description. I'm just going to add my YouTube channel link here so they can easily redirect to my YouTube channel. Now pick a board. So here you can just add a board if you just need it, and also the added topic like just going to add as tech and tech gadget or technology and YouTube. You can just add what are the topics like it's like actually like a tags or keywords. And the tag product, if you have any products, you can just tag it on advanced setting. You have the more settings here, and click on the create option. Now your first pin has been ready. Now you can just share it wherever you just need it. So you can see my pin has been already added here. So you can just click on the if you just click on the visit site, it actually redirect to my YouTube channel. This is the way that you can just create the pins on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.